Nice.
Yeah. She's just sitting there watching them. Hi, little girl. 3. You got it.
Mwah.
He's like, what you up to, Sarah?
Nice.
Nice. Oh.
No.
Gentle. Gentle. I know you got the long lashes. You two have the long lashes.
Yeah, gentle.
They're like, we're tired now. She's like, I think I get it now. 3. 3. Flower. That's right.
No.
Oh, gentle.
Mwah. Mwah.
What do you want to get closer to the pillow? Here, look. Let's get the tea. Here we go. Tea. The pillow's honking? Oh, we're stepping on the book. And he's liking it that way. He's like, oh, I'm sitting on it and it's making noise.
No.
Hi!